Good morning from the heart of New York City. This is a Better Self Daily Show dedicated to one thing to learn and apply to live as a better self daily. I'm your host, Angela Shurina from Create Yourself That Today, your personal trainer, your personal health and wellness coach, your personal nutritionist, your fellow biohacker, and just someone with a lot of passion for healthy living, healthy eating, healthy food, longevity, movement, fitness, biohacking, and just feeling your best, looking your best, and performing your best every single day. Today we are talking about, again, belly fat. And I get a lot of replies, a lot of feedback on one of the latest episodes about why belly fat seems to be the most resistant fat in our body, and how it actually not when you know what issues to address and how to properly start resolving the issue. So today, I'm going to give you a 5-step solution that you can apply to your life daily and start fixing the problem. So solution number 1, eat fresh leafy greens salads with your olive oil dressing, leafy greens like spinach, like collard greens, like kale, like arugula, what I call power greens. Forget about lettuce, all these amazing greens that you probably don't even know the names of and eat very rarely. So salad every day, at least 4 cups of those greens with 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. The best quality you can find, the better. Of course, greens gotta be organic. So this is step number 1. Eat your green, fresh salad with power greens and olive oil every single day, no matter what. Solution number 2 is get your omega-3s on a daily basis. If you're not a fan of sardines, not crazy about them like I am, not a fan of wild salmon, if you're not eating fish on a daily basis, I prefer, or at least 3-4 times a week, then find the best omega-3 supplement that you can find. Again, quality matters. It's got to be good quality, it's got to be fresh, it's got to be not transit. So Google the best supplement companies. So omega-3 either comes from fish oil, one of the best sources, or I recommend from seaweed. So seaweed-based omega-3 supplement. So solution number 2, get your omega-3s on a daily basis. Food works much better. Studies prove that supplements are not that quite effective. So either eat your sardines, your salmon, your herring, or get your omega-3 supplement. Solution number 3, drink your water. Simple water, good quality water, 1/2 liter. Right when you wake up, the first thing you do is drink 1/2 liter water, and make sure that you drink at least 1.5 liters plus, so total 2 liters a day, 1/2 liter right when you wake up. So this is solution number 3. Solution number 4, get your sleep in order. I don't care when you get up, when you go to bed, but do it on the same schedule every single night. At least 6 nights a week. At least 6 nights a week you're going to bed at the same time, you're waking up at the same time. Got it? Get your sleep in order. Get good quality sleep. Make sure that you can wake up without the alarm. That means that you getting enough sleep. So solution number 4, sleep. Go to bed, get up at the same hour at least 6 times a week, and make sure that you're getting enough sleep so you're able to wake up without an alarm, feeling refreshed. And solution number 5, probably gonna be your least favorite if you're anyone like average person on the streets who are drinking, eating whatever the food industry provides, and probably you're eating a lot of sugar. So solution number 5, you gotta eliminate all the added sugar in everything you drink and eat. I don't need you to count calories. I don't need you to count carbs. I don't need you to count anything, but you gotta eliminate everything that has any kind of sugar in it as an ingredient. And believe me, most of the things these days have sugar. You wouldn't believe. Like, check out ingredients list on every single thing you eat and make sure there is no sugar added. Also, no liquid sweeteners like honey, like agave, none of that. You can eat your fruit, you can eat your carbs in whole food sources. So solution number 5, eliminate sugar in all its forms. Like, all added sugar gotta go out. So these 5 things will start to address most of the issues, like metabolism, your blood sugar level, your hormones, your stress level, your inflammation level. So again, solution number 1, eat at least 4 cups of fresh leafy greens, power greens, with 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil every single day. Solution number 3, get your omega-3s either from wild fish like sardines, like herring, like salmon, or get really, really good omega-3 supplement either from fish oil or seaweed. Solution number 3, drink your water, 2 liters a day, half a liter right when you wake up. The first thing you do is drink half a liter of water. Solution number 4, get your sleep in order. Go to bed and wake up at the same hour at least 6 nights a week. Get enough sleep so you wake up refreshed without an alarm. And solution number 5, quit added sugar in everything you eat and drink. Don't count calories, don't count anything else, but no sugar in anything. No honey, no agave, no white sugar, no brown sugar, no sugar whatsoever. So this solution works. Try it for 30 days. Believe me, your belly fat gonna decrease a lot, and you're gonna feel just much better. You're gonna have more energy, you're gonna have more vitality, you're gonna perform better, look better, just feel alive. So get out there, start implementing my 5-step solution, start fixing your belly fat problem, and at the same time getting more energy, more vitality, better looks, better performance on all levels. Thank you for listening. This was a Better Self Daily. Angela Shurina. If you have any questions, if you want this solution written down, then shoot me email to angela@createyourself.today, angela@createyourself.today. Until next time, live as a better self today.